Well, look, you finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempting robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you.
Oh, tengo que llegar a ese avión rojo ahora.
Check, this is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
Bomba. Hay que explotar esta cosa. Veneno. Super mega veneno. ¡Ah, mis piernas! Las piratas.
Hey, good job there. So we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, no point in this operation. All right, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? I was kind of thinking. Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labor. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief.
No sé para qué. No, porque sí, bajo esto. ¡Au! ¡Au! El pegamento. ¡Pegamentos! ¡Ey! ¡Tú puedes ganar!
Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Oh, sí. Por aquí.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh?
El perro robótico.
Alright, here it comes.
Volador de Sonic. Del amigo de Sonic.
Okay, press that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Un hueso. No sé para qué servirá un hueso. Era para que se le salgan los huesos. Ya entendía. Gracias, amigo.
Oh, man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Falcon!
Oh.
Oh, man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. All right, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm going to say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. All right, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay.
Una oveja.
I don't understand what that means.
Me dijo oveja.
Meh.
Oveja de nuevo.
Okay. I don't understand what that means. Okay, shutting down the power now.
Ok. Se cortó la luz, sí. Igual. ¡Ah! ¡No! ¡Que se cae!
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Ok, significa esto.
Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
Ok.
No! Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors, and I'll get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation in cargo bay.
¡Entra! Ya verás lo que te harán. ¡Toma humo! ¡Au! ¡Lo está haciendo! ¡Ah! ¡Un plátano! ¿Qué es eso? Tengo que hacer algo para morir. ¡Humo! Para dormir. No, amigo, ¿por qué te duermes? Te dejaría esta cosa.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
Hay que escapar. Toma, chavalito. Ahora puedes
What's
estar
going?
compañero. Oh. Hasta la vista, nene. Oh, au.
This could be a problem.
Escapé. Nada. Ahora puedo ver el tele tranquilo. Oh, sí. Todos los criminales encerrados. Hasta la vista. Después tal vez robe un banco. Tal vez podría robar un banco o irme a la prisión de nuevo. Hasta luego.